Alright guys, so this is your word study activity, and what you're going to do is, just like you did last week, you scroll down, you will see your 5 high frequency words for this week here, and you're going to put these words in alphabetical order. Remember, if you need a chart for reference, here is the ABC chart right here. You can use this to help you. Now remember, when you're placing words in alphabetical order, you're looking at the first letter in the word. Sorry guys, you're looking at the first letter in the word and asking yourself which letter comes first, or which one of these words has a first letter that is closer to the beginning of the alphabet or the letter A. So let's see, we have 2 words that begin with S, we have a word that begins with L, one that begins with M, and one that begins with T. Well, I know my alphabet, and I know that love, or L, is closer to A than the other letters. Let's go ahead and check. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. There's L. L is before M, before T, before S. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that love word that's in the text box, and I'm going to click it and drag it up and put it in the first box. And that's all you're going to do.